Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Ahamedpur Chauroli, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, they are the go-to company for all your scanning needs. Whether you are in the architecture, engineering, or manufacturing industry, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their team of highly skilled professionals will ensure that your scanning project is executed with precision and accuracy. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the name that stands out from the rest. With their state-of-the-art equipment and software, they are able to capture every intricate detail of your object or space. From small objects to large buildings, their scanning services can handle it all. No matter the complexity of your project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd will deliver exceptional results that exceed your expectations. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning service providers is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and reliable scans, and they go above and beyond to ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards. With their attention to detail and meticulous approach, you can trust that your 3D scanning needs are in capable hands. Located in Ahamedpur Chauroli, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently accessible for clients in the surrounding areas. Their team of experts is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have about their services. Whether you need a quick scan or a comprehensive 3D model, they will work closely with you to understand your requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the exceptional 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Ahamedpur Chauroli, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to provide you with exceptional services that will exceed your expectations. As a leader in the industry, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has gained a reputation for their cutting-edge technology and expertise in 3D scanning. With their state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled professionals, they are able to capture every intricate detail of your objects with precision and accuracy. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of delivering high-quality results to their clients. They take pride in their ability to produce detailed and realistic 3D scans that are incredibly lifelike. Whether you need 3D scanning for architectural purposes, product design, or any other application, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their team of experts will work closely with you to understand your specific requirements and deliver results that meet your exact needs. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their extensive experience in the industry. With years of